How to fix Facebook dating. Hello everyone. In today's video we talk about how to fix this on your Facebook. Just watch this video till the end. So first, go and open the settings of your phone. After this, open apps option. And here on apps option you have to search now for Facebook app. Open then, click on storage. On storage now go to the last button in the bottom of the screen, clear data. Then you have to back and click on force stop, click OK. And what's next, guys? You have to go to your set as a default option. Make sure that this option is allowed, and after this your problem will be solved. So I hope this video is helpful for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe in our channel. See you in another video.